Remove this bolt for oil draining. Take out all oil. You can see the washer drop in as well. Make sure, keep in mind that washer is on the bolt. Then you need to remove this little screw. This is gonna show the level of oil. When you fill up the oil starts to draining through that little hole now. Time to move to other side of the bike. Remove those two bolts. Pull out the oil filter. Be careful, it's a little draining, so be in mind. Let's compare it with new filter. Looks the same, that's good sign. Pull out the old filter, so that easy, and put new one on the top. Before putting in, make sure you leave it clean, that all dust and dirty stuff. When you're putting back, make sure the spring is in the middle, and that's it. Put back the screws and filter is completely done. Make sure you tidy up the draining bolt, the oil doesn't leak out. And then that's what kind of oil I have today. 10W40. Pull out the cap and start to filling the engine. Should be around 840 milliliters. If you change the oil filter as well, you need to wait till the oil start to leaking through that little hole. That will be a sign of good and enough oil in the engine. Then screw in back the bolt, wipe everything up, and you are ready almost to go.